Japan Kutani Gachans. What's that? Like Gachapon. You can get something from one of these 4 Gachapon vending machines. 1, 2, 3, 4. The most expensive one are these little ceramic pieces. They're 1,000 Japanese yen, and that comes to about, at today's exchange rate, about $6.80. These are the most expensive. Miracle Craters, Faces of Japan. Yep. And they have all kinds of characters. Keychains, Kawasaki motorcycles. People seem quite interested in it. And lots of different characters here. These guys, little miniature collection, miniature food displays. Froggy guy. I kind of like this one. Look at the Denny's. The Denny's plate spinning around there. So, yep, it costs anywhere from $6.80 for the most expensive, all the way down to about 400 yen for some of the characters here. Here you got Mickey and Pixar. Oh, and someone's bags just fell over there. And Olaf. Those are only about $2.50 US. So, yeah, kind of fun machines. And how about this one, the Doritos? They have 2 flavors of Doritos. They actually have like little Doritos inside the bag. Amazing. It's different to have this type of gachapon because here you can clearly see the items that are inside, displayed quite nicely. So we have someone getting a gachapon. She wanted the Olaf. And Olaf should be coming out. Olaf didn't come out. Oh, she got Olaf in her box. Maybe. Maybe not. And she got her Olaf. She's pretty excited.